thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caldwell County, southeastern Bastrop County, north central Gonzales County, northwestern Fayette County, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Wilder, or 14 miles east of Luling, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bastrop, Smithville, Wilder, Cistern, Circle EKC Estates, Rosanki, Upton, Delhi, Hills Prairie, Togo, String Prairie, Allen Creek, Bushire State Park, Kilver, Thompsonville, Jeddo, Winchester, Kirtley, and Bastrop State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bastrop County, central Lee County, northwestern Fayette County, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Smithville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, emergency management. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Giddings, Smithville, Serban, Northrop, Ledbetter, Lobau, Warda, Bushire State Park, Hills, Leo, West Point, Winchester, Lincoln, Kirtley, Manheim, and Old Dime Box. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is a special weather statement. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Leander moving east at 30 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Round Rock, Georgetown, Taylor, Saraneta, Leander, Atoll, Liberty Hill, Georgetown Dam, Rice's Crossing, Brushy Creek, Jonah, and Jollyville. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas.